Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to solve the question 3. List the element of following set. Also name the set as A, B, C, etc. First part, counting number less than 10. We solve this question on our notebook or register. First we draw title page, unit, name, unit number and name. Introduction to set. Start with the unit number, name, exercise 1A, page 4, question 3 and write the question. Part 1, counting numbers less than 10. Write the counting numbers but less than 10 and denoted by any alphabet or a letter. A is equals to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 curly bracket close. Each and every element is separated by a commas. Next, vowels in words I, M, A, G, E, S. Images. I am going to denote with Z. Capital letter Z equals to curly bracket. Only write the vowel words. First I is a vowel. M is not a vowel. A, yes, A is a vowel, then G is not vowel. E is a vowel, then S is not vowel, then close the curly bracket. Letter of the following of word mango. A, M, A, N, G, O, curly bracket close and denoted by B. Color of national flag, how many color in national flag? 2. And white, green. Numbers less than 25 and divisible by 5. Write the number which is divided by 5 but less than 25. We denote by y is equals to curly bracket 5, 10, 15, 20. Next, color in rainbow. Write the colors name noted by C is equals to blue, violet, indigo, green, yellow, orange and red, separated by commas and closed by curly bracket. Last one, multiples of 3 less than 15. We denoted by D. D is equals to curly bracket 3, 6, 9, 12. That is less than 15. Okay, we have already learned about the set, what is set, and element, what is element. Now we are going to learn about the notation, set notation. A set may be written in the different forms called notations. For example, the set of vowels in English alphabet can be written as set A is equals to set of vowels in English alphabets. The above form is called descriptive notation. First notation is descriptive notation. In descriptive notation, the set is described by statement. There is a statement, set of vowels in English alphabet. There is also statement, letter of word mango. Counting number less than 10. That also a statement. Statement. The set is described by statement, that is called descriptive notation and not placed within curly bracket. The same set can be written as A, E, I, O, U. The form is called tabular notation. Tabular notation, all the elements of set are listed within curly bracket and separated by commas. Next, the third form is builder notation. In set builder notation, the set is expressed in form of rule. For example, the set is read as A is a set of element X such that X is a vowel of English alphabet. There is a dot between two X. We said that A is a set of X such that X is a vowels of English alphabets. Another symbol. This is used to indicate such that the set can be written as A is a set of X such that X is a vowels of English alphabets. We use these symbols and these symbols in play between X or any other alpha letters, and we said that X is such that X is vowels of English alphabet. Here are some more examples. Look at these as examples. A set of real number less than 9 can be written as, first, A is set of real number less than 9. It's a statement. Its statement is descriptive notation. Next, in curly brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is tabular notation. And the third one is X such that X is less than 9, that is set builder notation. That three the examples of descriptive notation, tabular notation and builder notation. Now we are going to solve our exercise 1b. Question 1. Write the following set in tabular form. We are going to solve this statement in tabular form. In curly bracket and separated by commas. First, M is the set of X such that X is the name of President of Pakistan. We are going to solve this question on our register. First, write the exercise name, page number in question. Then write the answer. Write the name of President of Pakistan and separated by commas. Next question. X such that X is a counting number less than 6. N is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And these numbers separated by commas and enclosed in curly bracket. Next, part 3. A is a set of Y such that Y is a multiples of 3. A is a set of 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. इस क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ आपको बताया गया मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 लिखने हैं. तो मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 आप 4 और 5 लिख लेंगे फर्स्ट, देन आप डॉट्स लगा देंगे. इट्स मीन इट्स कंटिन्यू. 3, 6, 9, 12 एंड सो ऑन मीन्स कि आगे चल रहे हैं, ये स्टॉप नहीं हुए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 4. B is a set of n such that n is an even number less than 10. Even number that is less than 10. B is a set of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 that is less than 10. C is a set of x such that x is a number divisible by 3 and less than 20. Divisible by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 8, 15 and 18. Next, X such that X is a planet in our solar system. Name the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And next, second last, F is a set X such that X is a day of week. Days of week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then close your curly bracket. And the last part is Q is a set of Y such that Y is the name of 3 countries beginning with B. Q such is a set of Belgium, Bhutan and Bangladesh. You can write any 3 names beginning with B.